Listen to me now. The confusion you feel is not stronger than my authority. I speak into the center of your mind, and I establish order where thoughts have been tangled for too long. I command the noise to quiet. Every racing thought slow down now. Every mental argument dissolve. Every pressure-filled question release its hold. I remove the weight you have been carrying, the weight of needing to understand everything immediately. That burden did not come from me. I lift it from you. Your mind was not created to live under constant demand. Your heart was not designed for endless analysis. I restore simplicity. I separate what matters from what distracts. I untangle questions that were never meant to exist together. Let unnecessary thoughts fade without resistance. I command your inner world to come into alignment. Where confusion settled, clarity begins to rise. Where tension lived, peace takes its place. You are not falling behind. Nothing is slipping away from you. Nothing is collapsing because you paused. I command your breathing to slow. Your shoulders can drop. Your jaw can relax. Your body no longer needs to stay alert. I remove the illusion that danger is near. You are safe in this moment. I speak directly to the fear that hides inside overthinking. You will no longer dominate this mind. You will no longer disguise yourself as responsibility. You will no longer pressure this heart. I establish calm authority inside you. Your thoughts begin to line up. Your emotions settle into order. Your awareness becomes clear and steady. I command rest to enter deeply. Not shallow rest, but restorative rest. Let mental strain dissolve. Let internal resistance soften. I am not rushing you. I am not demanding answers. I am restoring order. Be still. Stay with me. I am working deeper now. I address the pressure that has been sitting beneath your thoughts, the pressure that makes everything feel urgent, even when nothing is threatening you. I remove it. That pressure does not belong in your mind. It was not given authority over your decisions. I command urgency to step aside. You will no longer be driven by internal alarms that never turn off. You will no longer mistake anxiety for insight. I restore discernment. Let clarity form without force. Let understanding rise without strain. I separate peace from tension inside you. Where your thoughts have been sharp, I soften them. Where your emotions have been reactive, I stabilize them. I quiet the internal scanning. You no longer need to watch every possibility. You no longer need to prepare for every outcome. I release you from constant anticipation. Your future does not require your vigilance to survive. I establish trust within you. Trust that guidance is present even when words are few. Trust that alignment can be felt, not argued into existence. I silence the inner voice that demands speed. Speed is not wisdom. I command patience to return, not passive patience but grounded patience. The kind that waits without tension. I remove self-judgment from your thought life. You are not deficient because answers take time. You are not unstable because clarity unfolds gradually. I remove the habit of self-criticism. That voice loses access now. I replace it with calm awareness. Your inner space widens. Your thoughts have room to breathe. Your attention becomes steady. I sharpen discernment quietly. Let what is aligned feel clear without explanation. Let what is misaligned lose its pull without conflict. You do not need dramatic signals. I am training your sensitivity. I dissolve confusion created by transition. Change does not mean danger. Adjustment does not mean error. You are recalibrating. And recalibration is precise work. I protect this process. Nothing interrupts it. Nothing rushes it. I remove mental fatigue. Your mind no longer needs to work overtime. I restore balance. Your thinking becomes clean. Your awareness becomes focused. Your inner world becomes orderly. I settle your nervous system. Your heart rate slows. Your breathing deepens. Your body recognizes safety again. I establish calm clarity. Not clarity that overwhelms you. Clarity that supports you. Remain here. Everything unnecessary is falling away. Remain with me. I am speaking now to the place where hesitation has lingered. I address the pause that came from pressure, not wisdom. I remove the tension that made every decision feel heavy. I command fear to release you. Fear will no longer frame your choices. Fear will no longer exaggerate consequences. Fear will no longer suggest that one step could undo your life. That voice is silenced. I establish calm authority within you. You are not fragile. Your future is not brittle. It will not shatter because you move gently. I bless movement without strain. Not hurried movement. Not forced action. But steady progress formed in peace. I remove paralysis from your thinking. Your mind is no longer locked in endless evaluation. Your thoughts are no longer circling the same questions. I command forward motion to return. Motion that is unpressured. Motion that is clear enough to trust. You do not need complete certainty. I guide while you walk. I adjust while you learn. I align while you move. You are not required to see far ahead. You are only required to stay present. I remove the demand to predict outcomes. That demand has weighed you down. I lift it now. You are free to choose without panic. Free to respond without fear. Free to act without rehearsing every possibility. I restore confidence that is quiet and grounded. Not confidence that boasts. Confidence that knows it is guided. I speak steadiness into your inner compass. Let direction feel natural again. Let decisions feel clean instead of complicated. I bless your discernment. It does not need to shout. It does not need to prove itself. It knows. I command the fear of getting it wrong to dissolve. You are not one decision away from loss. You are not walking alone. Even your learning is protected. I remove self-doubt from your movement. You do not second-guess every step anymore. You do not replay every choice. You move and peace confirms. I ground you in this moment. Your attention is here. Your body is settled. Your thoughts are aligned. I establish internal stability. You do not rush ahead. You do not fall behind. You move at the pace of clarity. I speak harmony between your mind and your spirit. No more internal conflict. No more division. They agree again. I command clarity to continue unfolding. Not suddenly, not overwhelming, but faithfully. Each day brings definition. Each step brings understanding. Each moment strengthens alignment. I seal this work now. Confusion no longer returns to its former place. Pressure no longer claims authority. Fear no longer directs movement. Peace stands guard. Your mind is ordered. Your heart is settled. Your path is guided. Remain calm. Remain steady. I am with you, and clarity will keep forming in its time. Why are you still holding the weight of questions you were never meant to carry overnight? Why do you let uncertainty sit on your chest as though it has authority over you? Let me answer you now, not with explanation but with command. I am not negotiating with confusion in your life. I am addressing it. And as I speak, order responds. Listen carefully. I am not the author of inner chaos. I do not plant division in the mind or tension in the heart. What comes from me settles, aligns, and restores. So now I speak directly into the place where your thoughts have been tangled. I command clarity to rise. Not forced clarity, not rushed answers, but clarity that settles like light filling a room, quietly, completely, without struggle. I command every looping thought to lose its grip. Every argument you have been having with yourself, I silence it now. I command mental noise to stand down. You are not required to solve what I am already arranging. I loosen the pressure you have been living under. Pressure to decide. Pressure to know. Pressure to be certain before you move. That pressure is not from me. I remove it. Let your mind breathe again. I speak peace into the center of your thoughts, not peace that depends on answers, but peace that anchors you while answers unfold. Now hear me clearly. I separate truth from fear inside you. Fear has been disguising itself as wisdom. It has been loud, persuasive, convincing. I expose it. Fear no longer gets to advise you. Fear no longer gets to narrate your future. I command discernment to sharpen. Let your inner sense become clear. Let what is aligned feel steady. Let what is not aligned lose its appeal. You do not need to chase clarity. I am releasing it. Right now, I command rest to enter your body. Your shoulders can drop. Your jaw can unclench. Your breath can deepen. Your nervous system is not under attack. You are safe in this moment. I speak calm to your chest, order to your thoughts, stillness to your spirit. I untangle the emotional knots formed by disappointment. What did not work did not damage your future. I command regret to loosen its hold. You are not defined by what you didn't know then. I redeem the confusion of the past by giving you wisdom for the present. I speak alignment over your next steps, not 10 steps ahead, not the full picture, just the next right movement. That is enough. I remove the fear of making the wrong decision. You are not one choice away from ruin. I guide even while you walk. I correct without condemning. I lead without overwhelming. I command trust to rise, not blind trust but grounded trust. Trust that you are being guided even when you feel unsure. Trust that clarity is forming even when it is quiet. I settle the urgency in you. Nothing is chasing you. Nothing is slipping away. What belongs to you will remain. What is not meant for you will fall away without force. I speak peace into your sleep, peace into your waiting, peace into your becoming. Your mind does not need to stay alert tonight. You can rest without losing direction. I am working even while you are still. Let confusion dissolve now, not through effort but through surrender. Let clarity take its place gently. You are held. You are guided. You are not alone in this season. Be still. I am here, and everything will unfold in its time.